Hello everyone and welcome to I am MS Excel Expert tutorial series. Today is day 6 and we'll be covering sorting and filtering in today's session. So before we start, I would like to tell you what is the shortcut to have a filter on any table. So for example, in this sheet we have a table starting from cell B2. So I'll go and select B2 and press the shortcut as you can see on the screen. The shortcut is combination of four things, that is Alt button, D button and 2 times F button. So I'm already at B2 cell, so let me press this shortcut. So I'll press one time Alt button and then D and then F and F. So the moment I press this shortcut, I have these drop downs. So they are the representation of filter and sorting. So you can see a small text box as well on the screen, so where I have mentioned a small activity to perform. So I'll perform for you and I would request you to please go through this once you are actually done with this video. So I want to sort from A to Z on state for each gender, and then I want for multiple genders we have different kind of salary in the same state. So I want to sort the salary in decreasing order as well. So this is a typical example. So for example, if somebody is looking for all the males at the top, so I'll go to the gender. So let me first stretch this a bit. I hope you can see now. Yeah, so if somebody wants to short everything from female and then male, so I'll just go there and you know click on this icon and say from A to Z short. So now we have all the females at the top and then male. All right, so same thing can go with the states as well. So for example, I want from A to Z, so they are here, and same goes for children, smallest to largest. Same goes for salary, largest to smallest, whatever. Right, so this is the first stage of sorting. Right, now as I have mentioned in this small text box the activity, so I want first to select all the genders. I want to actually sort all the genders and then states, and based on these two activities I want to sort based on the salary. So if you go and look at your home, you will see something called sort and filter here at the right top corner. So just click on that and you will see custom sort. Right, just click on custom sort. You will receive one small pop-up where the table is already selected. Now you can see all the columns name here. So for example, I want first the gender to be valued from Z to A, that's right, and then I want state, so add level here and select state, and state also I want from A to Z, yeah, that's right. Then again add one more level because I want in decreasing order of salary, so add salary here and decreasing order, so this is a decreasing order, right? So for example, if you want to delete it, you can just delete it, delete any level, select that level and then delete it. Right, okay, so say okay, and the moment you say okay, you have all the genders here, male first and then the states, and inside states we have decreasing order of the salary. Right, so this is all about sorting. So let's go and find out what do we have in filtering. Right, so you know the shortcut, that is Alt DFF. So the moment I put Alt DFF, we have a filter icon here. So let's go and go to states first, and then for example, if somebody is looking for just Mumbai, so just go there and text filter, or you can just untick all these things and select Mumbai and set okay. So you have all Mumbai's here, right? And for example, inside this sheet you want just the female, just go there and take all, select female, and then you have just females. Right, for example, you just want a person with number 5, so you can go there and select all and say 5, you have just 5. Right, right, Now, for example, you just want to look at not just one, you want to look at three people, number one, number six, and number seven. So you can just unselect all and select just three of them and said okay. You will receive just three persons information, right? So this is about filtering, and the important thing about filtering is, for example, you don't know the full name, and you're looking for example, let me add one more thing here. So let me, okay, okay, let's go ahead with that only. So for example, I don't know, we have Jaipur here, for example, okay, and I want to search something here. So I'll say contain, I will say PUR and said okay. So the moment I said PUR, you will have Jaipur everywhere because PUR is inside the name Jaipur, right? So that's it for filtering, guys. And since I'm using a lower version of MS Excel, you might get a small box here already because because I don't have that box here because this is the older version. So in that box, like you can see just below the text filters, a small box where you can search actually. So there also you can search whatever you want and just hit enter. So you will get the filter according to that search. So that's it. Keep learning, keep supporting, and please share these videos with your friends and family members who wanted to become an expert in MS Excel. And if you want any of these, exercise um, for your use, so please email me and write in the comment. I will email you all these practice sets. Thank you so much.